What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. We are going to be creating a random number generator. Now I have this, the website open on the left side, the browser, that way we can check everything out. But as of now, it's fresh. I need to just add some new files. So we're going to start off with just an index, just to get something on the page to open up a new tab. And if you're on VS Code, all you have to do is press the exclamation, and then that brings you pretty much the whole thing. And like I said, we're just gonna do hello world just to get things going. Save it. Then if you want to open up in like, let's say Chrome, you just gotta look for the file, and then open with, and then whatever browser you want to use. And here it is. We're good. It works. So, I'm gonna let you guys know about what the original plans were. I don't think I've shared it, but the original plans were, because in comp sci I'm learning C++, I wanted to implement that. So I wanted to still build it in HTML, like the random number generator, but like the backend, have it be C++. But then I started thinking about how, because C++ is compiled, it may have to be like in a backend type server thing, which I'm not familiar with when it comes to web development. I only know like front end. And yeah, I started thinking about JavaScript, like what's so wrong with using JavaScript. So I'm just gonna go back to JavaScript. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to stick with C++ because that's what I'm learning. I wanted to get better at it. But JavaScript, we'll work with JavaScript. So as far as JavaScript goes, we'll just name it scripts. And it has been a while, so we'll see how it goes. Let's see, what can I do in I mean, you don't need IO streams, so all you have to do is just use console log, so I know that. It's been when's the last time I console logged? It's been a minute. So let's just do another hello world. And you don't need semicolons. You can use semicolons if you want to. So if I save it like that, it should still run. And then we're actually gonna go ahead and run it on the browser. Just go ahead and reload it, or not. It's only pulling up index.html, so somehow... Oh, okay, I need to link it over here. Where was it? Was it in the head? I think it was. So let's do script source. And then the name of the file. Save that. Okay, now reload it. There it is. Okay. So, we'll get into the randoms later. Let's go ahead and build out... Oh, by the way, this project is going to be like super basic. I haven't done, JavaScript in a minute. So we're just going to keep it as, let's say... So instead of hello world, it's going to say generate random number. Oh, but because it's a title, we'll just give it like caps. Not all caps, but just the first letter. Generate random number. And what else are we gonna have? I know at the very bottom, we're gonna have a button. And it'll just say something like generate. In the middle though, we're gonna have I want to have all horizontally, right? I'm remembering how I used to do JavaScript. None of this was hard-coded in HTML. I think only maybe one div. Everything was coded with JS. But we're going to do it this way for now. We'll get into the other way later. There's a way to... once it's connected, you can grab it by ID, I believe. by ID, or I don't know. You can say like H1 and then inside H1 put a certain text from JavaScript. Okay, so let's do it this way for now. So I'm gonna have text. Let's just say div, right? Okay, we'll have from, and then it'll be one of those. It's like a text area. Oh, it's like a form almost. But what is it? Okay, we're gonna look at forms for a little bit just to see. I haven't. Oh, it's this right here. It's like a little text area. I'm gonna have that, and then I'm gonna have two, and then I'm gonna have another one, another little text area, and then that's it. From and to. All right. Okay, so as far as the text area, what are they called? I forgot the name. Input. That's what it's called. Input. Alright, so we're gonna have an input. An input, and then what should we do? Type text, that's fine. Let's give it an ID of, let's do num1. And then we'll just go ahead and copy this one, and we'll paste it right here. And then we'll just call this one num2. Then we'll test it and see if it works. I forgot how laggy VS Code was. That's the reason why I switched to coding on the terminal. There it is. Now I guess we can style them a little bit. Let's create a styling one, a CSS. I believe you can also do CSS on JavaScript. But for now, we're going to do them separately. That one we'll just say styles.css. And also, we're going to link that one on index, which should be somewhere like right here. Let's do it above script. I don't know why. I just have a feeling it's before script. And I believe this one is just going to link style sheet, styles with the S. Like that. It should work. Now, just to make sure that it works, I'm going to go ahead and give everything. So that's with the little star. I'm going to give everything a background of red. And it should be red. So CSS is connected. Alright, that's all I need, pretty much. Just JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Now, as I was mentioning earlier, with the like creating everything through JavaScript, and then having classes and all that, that's when you might need multiple JS files and one HTML. But we'll get into that when I start picking up on JavaScript again, because it's been a minute. Alright, so now that we have our basic files, we're set up, and then we're ready for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.